Just look at these giant green candles since the start of November, despite having a shakeout last week. This is why we call the month of November Moonvember during the bull cycle. Bitcoin is bouncing around $97,000 and $98,000 at the time of this video, which is only a 2 to 3% pump to the long-awaited, highly anticipated 100K price point. Everyone who has ever bought Bitcoin is in profit right now as we enter the month of December, which, if history rhymes or repeats itself, will prove to be an extremely bullish month. And this is why we call this period of time in crypto Bullcember. So what should we be aware and mindful of as crypto investors in these last few weeks of 2024 before kicking off 2025? Oh, there has been massive wins for crypto recently, so we need to get ready. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey and welcome to another episode of Crypto This Week. Let's explore the latest global news stories affecting the markets as well as the macro environment at large. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, Ledger, Tangem, and Uphold. Ledger, until December 5th, for our community, is giving us $70 worth of free Bitcoin with the Ledger Flex wallet, 30% off their BTC Orange Ledger Nano X and Nano S Plus devices, 25% off for their matte black Nano S Plus, and Ledger accessories. Tangem is the most affordable and easiest crypto wallet to set up. It literally takes like 90 seconds, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Now their brand new stylish wearable Tangem ring is available, and until December 2nd, they are giving us 20% off. And store your money and manage your crypto with Uphold, a Web3 platform that actually holds our money in crypto, doesn't lend it out against our will like banks and exchanges, making it a way better and safer option to buy, sell, trade, and store our assets. So scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet. Check it out. For the US, this was Thanksgiving in 2022 with Bitcoin at $16,500. And this was Thanksgiving just a few days ago in 2024. Bitcoin 4 and 5% away from 100K. And if you're new to crypto, buckle up because every 4 years the crypto markets get euphoric and crazy like this. However, this time it's different with a pro-crypto majority US government taking office in January 2025, entire countries buying Bitcoin as strategic reserves, corporations putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets, spot Bitcoin ETFs breaking inflow records, big institutions buying Bitcoin. It's just wildly unprecedented times for crypto. If you've been watching the channel, hopefully you've been DCAing or dollar cost averaging into positions over this last year. If not, get off the sidelines. What is likely to happen in this market will literally melt your face off, provided no World War III or some Black Swan event. And usually the best strategy is to hold until the cycle starts to come to an end, possibly in the next few months or year. Don't try to trade and do a lot of activity because most of the time it's a losing game. Get your picks in and let the market do the rest as the cycle plays out. We will be monitoring the cycle on this channel together, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to stay up to date on all of the latest news and market moves. Cool. Here's what we can most likely expect from this bull cycle as it relates to the path to altcoin season. First phase, money flows into Bitcoin, causing the price to surge. And we've already been seeing that since Bitcoin broke that 70K resistance level and teleported to 90K and beyond. In the second phase, historically money flows into Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. However, this time around may be a little bit different because while Ethereum has been kind of lagging, other larger market caps that were popular last cycle, like Solana, XRP, Cardano, and Polkadot, have been pumping 20, 30, almost 40% over the past week, which usually happens in the third phase of altcoin season. Is it possible we may have skipped phase 2? Maybe. And in the last phase, mid and small cap altcoins start pumping and meme coins are in full mania, which meme coins have been actually pretty crazy even over the past couple years. Literally the only cryptos that were experiencing interesting price action before the bull cycle kicked off. And to learn more about why meme coins are outperforming everything, check out this video by clicking on the link above. Another leading indicator that we can use to determine which part of the altcoin season cycle we may be in is by looking at Bitcoin dominance. What is Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance is just a fancy term that refers to the total amount of money in Bitcoin versus the total amount of money in all the other cryptocurrencies in the market combined. And the term used to describe the total amount of money in a particular cryptocurrency is market cap. So the total amount of money or market cap of a cryptocurrency is a simple calculation, which is the price of the token multiplied by the total number of tokens in circulation. Quick example, if the price of a token is $1 per token and the total available supply of the token is 100, then the market cap is $100 because $1 times 100 equals $100. Simple enough, right? Cool. Now looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart, it has been dropping this week from about 61% to now 58%. This means that Bitcoin's market cap compared to the entire market cap of all the other cryptocurrencies combined makes up 58%. of the total amount of money in the crypto markets. And when referring to the path to altcoin season phases, as money starts to flow out of Bitcoin and into other altcoins, obviously, Bitcoin dominance drops. Here's another chart that helps us navigate where we could potentially be in a market cycle. Wall Street cheat sheet. The feelings appearing as the market fluctuates. We are likely passing the optimism phase where people think this rally is real. And now we are heading into the belief and thrill phases where people are thinking time to get fully invested, or I'll buy more on margin. Gotta tell everyone to buy. Altcoin season is likely here. And once altcoins start ripping upwards, it's literally straight up crazy green candles. It's fast and furious, so make sure your moon bags are packed. Because at the end of the day, as we've been discussing together, most price charts will look the same. They will go up around the same time and crash down around the same time. And if you missed the video where we cover altcoins I'm gambling on in this crazy crypto casino, check out this video by clicking on the link above. Amazing. Next, let's talk about what we can expect in 2025 as it relates to the crypto markets, how crypto has changed forever for the better in the US this week, and how the entire global financial system is about to change forever so we can prepare now. First, real quick, now is a great time to get familiar with the next generation of finance with a free Uphold account. It only takes like 90 seconds to set up, and as crazy as it sounds, Uphold provides us with a way safer and better option for storing our fiat US dollars than banks, and trading crypto better than crypto exchanges. Check it out. When we put our hard-earned US dollars or crypto in Uphold, it's actually there, it stays there, and it's 100% backed. When we put our money in a bank or crypto exchange, they don't keep it there, they lend it out. Uphold publicly lists and updates in real time every 30 seconds their balance sheet for anyone to see at any time on their website without an account. Definitely not the case with banks or exchanges. Uphold is one of the first major crypto platforms to offer US dollar interest accounts to US users that are FDIC insured up to $2.5 million. With banks, not many offer interest, and they only FDIC insure up to $250K. And instead of having separate liquidity and token prices like most exchanges, Uphold is actually connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, which gives us the best possible prices and a lot more liquidity when trading crypto, all seamlessly without having to transfer funds between banks and crypto exchanges. It's free to sign up, so scroll down and use the links below to access Uphold's correct and official site and redeem any special offers they have for us. Sweet. Okay, just 6 months ago, in this video you can check out by clicking on the link above, we covered what seemed like one of the worst attacks on crypto yet, the US Department of Justice versus Tornado Cash. Because the way the lawsuit was set up, it was essentially going to put our rights to privacy at risk by outlawing our rights to transact privately and our rights to free speech at risk by putting people who create code at risk of being held responsible for how people use their tools, and impose crazy, impossible to follow regulations and compliance measures for open, decentralized financial technology by deeming DeFi projects money transmitters. Long story short, it would be extremely bad for crypto if Tornado Cash is deemed a money transmitter, because if a system of smart contracts that transfers value qualifies as a money transmitter, it could mean that other decentralized, autonomous entities could qualify as money transmitters, which then bleeds into what services would be required to implement KYC, or Know Your Customer, and AML, or money laundering rules. And this could spill over into everything in crypto. Most egregiously, self-custody wallets, the only way we are able to completely own and control our digital assets. Very, very bad. Lucky for us, this week, US court sides with Tornado Cash and overturns sanctions and says smart contracts are not property. A US appeals court has ruled that the Treasury Department's sanctions against the crypto mixer Tornado Cash were unlawful and an overreach of authority. What does this mean? Oh, it's bullish. It means immutable smart contracts just beat the US Treasury Department in court. Developers can now build and deploy code, tools, apps on decentralized, transparent, immutable, blockchain-based technology like Ethereum with more confidence. Because if they build something and deploy it on Ethereum, they don't own or operate it. The court just declared DeFi apps can't be owned or controlled by anyone. Therefore, builders do not have to worry about getting sanctioned or worry about it getting banned. Our rights to privacy, free speech, access to decentralized financial tools, and the ability to self-custody our crypto in the United States is safe for now, as the US legal system is now acknowledging that decentralized protocols are a new type of infrastructure in the world. And what's great is since many other countries base their regulatory decisions off of what the US ultimately decides to adopt and implement, many of us around the world are safe for now as well. We shall see. What we are seeing since President Trump stated the US was going to have a strategic Bitcoin reserve is game theory starting to play out. with crypto triggering an international movement among different businesses, states, and countries around the world. This week, Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Bill introduced in Brazil's Congress. Federal deputy proposes the sovereign strategic reserve of Bitcoin to hold up to 5% of Brazil's international reserves. Vancouver mayor proposes the creation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Morocco's crypto framework advances amid rising public interest in digital assets. Morocco is advancing a draft law to regulate cryptocurrencies, aiming to balance risks and opportunities amid growing adoption. Suriname presidential candidate aims to replace central bank with Bitcoin. Maya Parbo, a presidential candidate in Suriname, has put forward a transformative yet controversial vision for the nation, focusing on economic reform and governance overhaul. Central to her proposal is replacing the country's central bank with a decentralized system built around Bitcoin. Countries around the world are realizing the only way they can escape the power and corruption of centralized entities like the IMF or International Monetary Fund that literally put countries in debt to steal their resources, and the US dollar, a system of control that has been politically weaponized, is by adopting Bitcoin. And everyone wants Bitcoin before the US starts buying, since a new pro-crypto regime is taking over soon, with likely a lot more bullish events in the pipeline. One of crypto's main adversaries has been SEC Chair Gary Gensler, whom Trump vowed to fire on day one of his next presidency. This week, SEC Chair Gary Gensler, who took aim at the crypto industry, to step down in January. Bullish for crypto. So who's going to take his place? Trump team eyes Paul Atkins, ex-SEC commissioner, to succeed Gensler. Atkins is a proponent of crypto and fintech companies. He has also testified before Congress on ways to restructure the agency's operations and reduce what some industry participants would consider duplicative or overly burdensome regulations. Bullish for crypto? Trump admin eyes CFTC to lead digital asset regulation. Move would be significant step in providing regulatory clarity to crypto. With adequate funding and under the right leadership, I think the CFTC could hit the ground running to begin regulating digital commodities on day one of Donald Trump's presidency. Former CFTC chairman Chris Giancarlo told Fox Business, bullish for crypto. Why? Because the CFTC is often referred to as the little sister of the SEC, and often has lighter regulatory touch than the SEC, which means we could see Solana ETFs and other larger market cap altcoin ETFs getting approved a lot sooner than we originally thought. Bullish for crypto. And likely soon after that, we will see bundles of different cryptocurrencies all within the same ETF, which gives investors a whole lot of tax benefits they can take advantage of while staying in the crypto markets. Bullish for crypto. The future looks bright, crypto fam. The Santa rally this Bullcember is coming in hot, likely pushing Bitcoin up to 100K. And we've got Santa crypto discounts for a few more days, so listen up. Any crypto you're accumulating over the long term, make sure you're transferring off of exchanges to hold securely on multiple cold storage hardware wallets. Do not keep all of your eggs in one basket when dealing with this new cutting-edge high-risk technology. Tangent Wallet is the most affordable and easiest crypto wallet to set up. Literally only takes 90 seconds, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Now their brand new stylish wearable Tangent Ring is available. And until December 2nd, they're giving us 20% off. And Ledger offers premium crypto hardware wallets like the Ledger Stax and Ledger Flex devices with extra security layers. Until December 5th for our community, Ledger is giving us $70 worth of free Bitcoin with the Ledger Flex wallet, 30% off their BTC Orange Ledger Nano X and Nano S Plus devices, and 25% off the Matte Black Nano S Plus. So be sure to scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Awesome. If you would like to watch a full review of the Ledger Stax and Flex wallets and see them in action, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about Uphold and how it is a way better and safer option than banks and crypto exchanges to store and manage our crypto, check out this video. And to start securing your money and crypto with Uphold, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.